Choosing the right diaper size can feel confusing at first, so let's walk through it step by step from preemie all the way to size 6. Step 1, you're going to want to start with baby's weight, not their age. Every diaper brand prints a weight range on the package. This is the most important thing to look at. Grab the pack, find the weight chart, and match it to your baby's current weight. Step 2, understand the basic size range. Here's a simple breakdown most brands follow. Preemie is usually for babies under about 6 pounds. Newborn is around 6 to 9 pounds. Size 1 is about 8 to 14 pounds. Size 2 is about 12 to 18 pounds. Size 3 is about 16 to 28 pounds. Size 4 is about 22 to 37 pounds. Size 5 is about 27 pounds and up, and size 6 is usually for 35 pounds and up. Always check your specific brand, but this gives you a general guide. Now, check how the diaper fits at the waist. When the diaper is on, the tabs should close comfortably near the center of the waistband without you having to pull or stretch too hard. If the tabs barely reach, the diaper is too small. If they overlap a lot, it might be too big. Next, look at the leg openings. The leg cuffs should sit snugly around your baby's thighs without leaving deep red marks. If you see gaps around the legs, you'll probably get leaks. If the elastic is digging in, it's time to size up. Watch for common signs you need a different size. If you're getting frequent blowouts up the back, the diaper is usually too small. If the diaper sags a lot, looks baggy, or you can fit more than 2 fingers easily in the waistband, it might be too big. Red marks, tightness, or difficulty closing the tabs are all signs to go up a size. Remember that every brand fits a little differently. Your baby might be a size 2 in one brand and a size 3 in another. That's totally normal. Always go by the weight range and how the diaper actually fits on your baby's body. Do a quick fit check every few weeks. Babies grow fast. Make it a habit to check the waistband, leg openings, and how often you're getting leaks. If you're constantly adjusting the diaper or seeing marks, it's probably time to move up. So to recap, use your baby's weight, check the size chart on the package, pay attention to how the diaper fits at the waist and legs, and watch for leaks or red marks. Once you get used to it, choosing the right diaper size from preemie to size 6 becomes really simple. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.